Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some pickled potato salad, and this is my little twist on it. Maybe you've done it before, but this is how I like my potato salad. So here goes. So I have some potatoes here already peeled and washed, and I have some water with a teaspoon of salt going, so I'm going to add these to the water and allow them to cook. Alright, so as I mentioned before, I'm going to be doing some pickled potato salad. So here I have with me some thinly sliced cucumber. You can remove the seeds if you want. I don't mind the seeds, so I have them there. So I'm going to add to this 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, and I'm going to add some salt to this. Alright, so what the salt does, it removes the liquid from the cucumber, and it helps to give it like a tangy flavor along with the granulated sugar. So I'm going to mix this together. To ensure that the salt and the sugar is combined nicely with the cucumber. I'm going to cover this with cling wrap and set it aside. Also, for the potato salad, I have some shredded carrots. I pre-prepared these. It really saves time. You can use more carrots if you want, but based on the amount of potato I'm using, this is the amount of carrots I'll be using. And over here I have some chicken ham. You can use bacon if you want, but my daughter Carison doesn't eat pork, so I'm going with some sliced chicken ham. So already cooked them a little bit, just fried them a little bit because I want it to be a little bit crispy but not too crispy. So I'm going to be cutting these in small pieces. I put them on the paper towel because I wanted them to drain a little bit, but just to give you an idea of what I want, this is how I'm going to be cutting them. So my potato is cooking, and when all of this is ready, I will continue making my potato salad. So this is basically the situation that I'm doing here, and when I come back, I'll show you the remaining ingredients that I'll be using. Alright guys, so my potatoes are ready, and I'm going to be mashing them now. I'm not going to be mashing them like to get like this soft creamy texture. I'm not going to do that. I need it to be a little bit crunchy or lumpy or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to be mashing them. And that's good enough for me. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be adding some mayo to this. If you have Cupid mayonnaise, that's like really the best mayonnaise to use, but I'm just going to be using what I have. I kind of like mayonnaise, so I'm going to be adding a lot of mayo to this. Okay. Then I'll be adding my carrots. And I'm gonna set this aside a little bit, and I'm gonna show you what my pickled cucumber looks like. So remember I told you that the salt helps to remove the liquid from the cucumber. So if you notice in the bowl, that's a lot of liquid there. So I'm gonna finish squeezing this out and add it. And this is really lovely, guys. You could try this just to add a twist to your potato salad. So that is that right there. And I'm going to be adding my chicken bacon to this, and I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of black pepper on this. You don't have to do that, but you know, I want one. And then I'm going to combine. And the crunchy texture and the tangy sweet taste of this is like really, really lovely. Just combining this. And if you should try this, you can just let me know what you think, how it tastes, if you like it, if it's something that you would eat again. Alright, so this is good enough for me, so I am going to eat. If you want to make it smooth, you can do that. You know what, I want the crunchy texture. Oops, accident. Told you you're crazy, so Jesus, you couldn't make that go to waste. Tolan is one big foodie. Alright. Tastes good? That's the intention. So I'm just cleaning up the edge of my bowl, and I'm going to put a little bit of paprika on this, a little bit of smoked paprika on that, just to enhance the presentation. So just because I want a small amount, I'm just gonna use my hand and spread it like that. And that is that. So again, guys, if you do like this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop a comment. It is really delicious, and I'm going to enjoy this. You can eat it as a side, you can eat it by itself. It is just really delicious. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.